Hey guys, just got to school and just thought I'd show you my OTD because I showed you my socks last night. So, oh, you got it? Thank you.
This is a grab your backpack, Jesus Christ, let's go.
This is a Ron John shirt that's Lowell's and I look like a boy.
So there's been 2 accidents on the way to school. One was back there, hey Sean, and this kid hit a school bus. And this accident up here, what do you think happened, Mom? He went up the curb?
Doesn't look like anybody else is involved. The lady wanted to turn and missed the turn or something? Yeah.
Hey Mara. Hey Caroline.
Is it on? It is on. Okay. Let me see that bitch. What?
So we're in gym doing science experiments, guys.
No way. Happy birthday, birthday shout out. Shout out.
Joshua's birthday for me. Look fit of the day.
What's the... You already know what's up. He ain't got no back on his shirt. Yeah, everybody's gone right now.
Good.
Quick question. I can't be on tape for this.
You can't be on tape for this? All right. Do I what?
Hi.
Tickling the what? Masturbate. What is it called? Tickling the what?
Cherry?
Tickling the cherry. Yeah.
Right now it's really windy and we're at a fire drill. It's super cold. Kendra and I are just snuggling.
Why is it all fruits?
Over here trying to stay warm. Who's editing today?
Hey,
Sydney.
my last day
You
is
already
on Friday.
stole this.
So
Yeah.
like this.
That lighting's good.
Like this video for me leaving.
Put the thumbs up. Subscribe, you know.
We have 95. Can we 95 subscribers? Vlogmas.
We're penguining.
Penguin.
Cold.
Wow.
Get to 100.
Hey, so right now there's a fire drill and Case and I were in the library.
We don't know
and
where
so
to
we
go.
have to
We're
walk.
scared.
We're walking around the entire school because our teacher's there. And it's just really awkward. And I think that we should be running, but we're not. But so over there is where we're supposed to be. So we literally just had to walk across the entire school. And it's freezing and
So you need Zen. What's Zen? It's like, guys, comment down below how you figure out if you have ADHD or like something, because I truly think I have it. I can never focus and I can't read. And if one person's talking, I literally
We're taking
go
a
off.
PBR and these girls next to us keep talking and we can't read. Mara can't read. I'm fine. I didn't even read the passage. But yeah. So I look really good today.
Yeah, you do.
We just had a fire
Blackout.
drill. I told myself I was gonna dress nice today and that didn't happen, so
But I mean close.
basically.
You're almost there. What made you decide not to dress nice?
I woke up at 8.
Dude, me too. We're in Spanish.
Oh, my eyes kind of look really blue right now. My eyes look really blue.
Okay. We're playing a game with buses, backpacks, and chalkboards, and we just got some points. So go us. Wait, can you be in the vlog?
made vlogs.
Why not? We're famous. You can't zoom, but we'll zoom later.
So that was cute.
Preview.
You know. So Catherine tried to draw a baby, and this is what it looked like. Tell me that is not a blue light bulb.
Doesn't it look so cute?
That is a blue light bulb. You ruined my state card. Just kidding. I'm really good at drawing. Here, I'll show you a picture. There's my stop sign and my palm tree. Picasso.
I can tell we work really hard at practice. Backflash cam, so Jesse's
30 degrees outside.
Yeah, it's the Arctic tundra. Sydney's somewhere over there. She's running, but it's the Arctic tundra out here.
I think it's summer outside.
Yeah, it's not cold.
not cold at
My
all.
mom's not here.
Feeling really good. And
Look
this
at
is
his
legs. We're wearing no pants in case you're wondering.
Yeah, no pants, so it's good.
It's a blizzard outside.
Not today.
The camera doesn't do justice of how bad it's snowing out right now. It's a blizzard.
Just leaving Walgreens, and it is a blizzard outside. And I just would like to make a PSA that I am in short sleeves, Nike Pros, and Birks with no socks because I just left practice. So super warm. Yeah. Okay. My mom's not letting me in the car. It's only a blizzard. It's really fine. Mom.